In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and enhance your website's appearance using a website builder. You'll learn how to make your site stand out and reflect your unique style. Let's dive right in and start by opening your website builder. Whether you're using a popular platform or a lesser known one, you'll generally have a dashboard or a homepage to get started. This is where you can access all the tools you'll need to edit your site. Once you're in, focus on the header of your website. The header is a crucial part of your site's design because it's the first thing visitors see. It's often where your logo, navigation bar, and maybe even a call to action are located. So let's ensure it's not only visually appealing but also functional. After you've located the header, it's time to access the design tools. These applications allow you to adjust various elements of your header, explore the color palette options to find a color scheme that matches your brand or the overall feel you want to convey. Keep in mind the importance of contrast and readability when selecting your colors, ensuring that the text is easy to read against the background. Next, move on to the fonts. Typography is an essential aspect of web design. Consider the tone you want to set for your website. Is it professional, playful, or modern? Select fonts that best communicate this tone. A consistent font style across your website can give it a cohesive and polished look, so make sure it blends well with other elements you'll use throughout your site. After you've set the colors and fonts, think about the layout of your header. Are there elements you need to reposition or perhaps size adjustments you want to make? Maybe you'd like a central alignment for your logo or a top right aligned navigation menu. Experiment with different layouts to discover what arrangement looks best and is most user-friendly. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, it's crucial to save your work. This is an often overlooked but essential step. Saving ensures that you won't lose your adjustments if you have to stop and return later or if the unexpected happens, like a browser crash. Finally, when you're confident with the way everything looks, it's time to publish your changes. By doing this, you make your customized header live on your website. Take a moment to preview your changes as they appear to your visitors. This is your chance to make any final tweaks that could enhance the visitor's experience. Congratulations! You've successfully customized your website header. With just a few straightforward changes, you've made a significant impact on your site's overall presentation. Customization is an ongoing process, so feel free to revisit these elements anytime you want to freshen things up or make updates based on evolving trends or feedback. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has made the process clearer for you. Happy designing!